Why humans cannot tickle themselves? It's an interesting topic. Why is it that when someone else tickle you, you immediately start laughing, but when you try to tickle yourself, nothing happens? Why? It's an interesting question. It feels strange, does not it? The fingers are the same, the skin is the same, so why does your brain react differently? Tickling is not just a physical sensation, it is a combination of touch, surprise, and brain prediction. When another person tickle you, your brain does not know exactly when or where the touch will occur. This lack of prediction creates uncertainty activity area of the brain responsible for alertness, emotions, and laughter. But when you try to tickle yourself, your brain already know what is about to happen. Before your fingers even touch your skin, your brain sends a prediction signal. This signal tells your sensory system this touch is self generated, it is not a threat. Because of this prediction, the brain reduces the sensation before you can feel it fully. This process is called sensory cancellation. Next, another side, a part of brain called the cerebellum play a role in this process. This cerebellum help to predict the outcome of your movement. When the prediction matches the actual sensation, the brain cancels out the response. This is why self-touch always feel weaker than touch from someone else. Scientists have tested this idea in experiment. In one study, people controlled a robot that touched their skin. When the movement was controlled by the person, the tickling sensation was very weak. But when the robot moved unpredictably, people reported strong tickling and even laughter. This proved that tickling depends on surprise, not just physical contact. Tickling also has a social purpose. It helps humans bond, communicate, and react to unexpected touch. From an evolutionary perspective, tickling may have helped humans stay alert to sudden control or danger. Without surprising, tickling does not work, and without tickling, there is no law. So, no matter how much you try, you will never be able to tickle yourself. Not because your fingers fail, but because your brain predicts every move to make. The human brain is designed to protect you, filter sensation, and focus only on what truly matters. And sometimes that means stopping you from laughing at yourself. Okay, thank you and surprise me for this step more knowledge and more knowledge. Thank you everyone.